Okay, Primark coat find. I actually quite like these. This stripy top over here, which is definitely giving Molly May documentary. Obsessed with this little plant pot. These are very Valentine's Day-esque. How stunning. Hey guys, the bedding section is absolutely incredible. Look at this fabric. I did not know that Primark did yoga and Pilates socks. How good are these? This one is stunning. It's giving Pilates princess, which I like Gymshark dupes, which kind of go crossy at the back. Right, this is the result of being in Primark for like 2 hours. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to a very exciting video. We are about to go and see what is new in Primark for February 2025. I am so excited. We are gonna have a come shop with me in a haul every single month. Let's go see what they've got new in. I've heard they've got all the summer bits in, and I'm so excited. Like, my friend went the other week and got so many gorgeous summer bits. So I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay, Primark coat find. Absolutely love and adore that. Let's see how much it is. £36. I feel like this is going to go fast, guys. This coat is stunning. I love that. This one's also quite nice, like a bit more of a smarter kind of cardigan slash jacket. This coat is gorgeous and really similar to one that I've recently seen in M&S, and it's £40. I love that. I also think this blue jumper is really nice. I can't decide if it's giving Tracy Beaker or it's actually quite cool. Really like this top. It's kind of like a halter neck, almost like a blazer top. Really, really nice. How much is that? £14. That could look really nice on. I might have to pick that up. I also think this brown jumper is really gorgeous. Again, right by the entrance. This is £13 for that. I might have to pick that up. That is really, really nice. Okay, I found these joggers and I feel like these are perfect. They're like wide leg with a white stripe down the side. I think I'm going to pick these up for like work from home days. Also love this burgundy pair, again, for like work from home. Really, really nice. They've also got the matching zip up, and I feel like this is a bit of an Adidas dupe. I love this little cord. It's these trousers, and then the shirt is all the way up there, but it's really, really nice set. It's like a silky material. So gorgeous. Then we've got this grey cardigan, £16. It's got these little bows at the front, which is really nice. This little corset top situation is nice. If they had trousers to match, that'd be so cute. But look at these trousers. £16. I really like these. They've got like a green stripe down the edge. Okay, I found another good clothes section. We've got this stripy top over here, which is definitely giving Molly May documentary. And then I also love these wide leg trousers. They're £20, like dark denim wash. So, so nice. I love that and that together. Like, what a cool outfit. I have this top in like a brown and pink, which I think I actually prefer. I might have to swap my basket out. I've also been seeing this keyring all over TikTok. £4. That is so, so cute. I love it. I've also been looking for some glasses since I saw the Molly May documentary, and they've got loads of trending ones in. So they've got these ones, which I quite like, and I also really like these ones, which are like the Miu Miu dupes. Where are they? So cute. Primark, £2.50 and £4 for those ones. I actually quite like these. Do I pick these up? I think I will. I quite like them. Okay, Primark denim is a minefield, but let's see if we can find any nice wide leg jeans. I've been wanting some dark denim ones, and I feel like these are quite nice. I thought this dress was gorgeous, but I didn't realise it was maternity. And they've also got this denim top, which I've already got something very similar to this from Oliver Bonus. My Oliver Bonus one was like £50, and this is £16. What a bargain. Okay, this is the first time I've seen a burgundy version of the plush leggings, so I might pick up a pair of these just to wear like with big hoodies and like a trench. I feel like they would be cute. Let's see how much they are. I don't actually know. £7. Social anxiety I have filming in here is crazy, but let's carry on. Okay guys, you have no idea how excited this is getting me for summer. Let's see what bikinis they've got. I'm so excited. I've also spotted these shorts, which I just think are gorgeous. I'm gonna have to get them. Like, how good would these be just for like around the pool? Absolutely love those. £7. I'm gonna pick those up. And I've also spotted this cord, which has got this top and then matching trousers, which I think is so nice. And this is, oh, I don't think there's a price on that. Oh no, there is. Oh, £16 for the top. Primark, this is getting pricey, but I really like that. And we're going to go around the bikinis now. So, first one that I think is actually really gorgeous is this kind of shiny one here. Love that. That is £7 for the top. Let's find the bottoms. How much are the bottoms? Let's have a little look-see. £5 for the bottom. So £12 for the whole thing. That is so, so good. And then we've also got this blue and cream one, which is also really nice. I think I'm going to pick this up as well. And the matching shirt. I love when Primark do this. And This one as well. This is so stunning. They're all so cheap. They're all like £12 for the whole set. I absolutely love this one with the little shells. And then they've got the kind of tie waist bottoms as well, which is my favourite. And then they've got overshirts. They've got like a blue one and a black one, which you can never go wrong with. How gorgeous is that? I've picked up this one. I'm just going to show you my highlights because it's so busy in here. I love this check one, but it's already sold out, guys. There's no sizes in this, which is such a shame. But I do love the plain red that would go with the trousers that I'm about to show you, so I might pick up this one. Okay, this section is like the star of the show, and look at these trousers. It's all kind of a bit of a mess in here, but you can see the print. I love it. Like, imagine this with like red bikini. And these trousers are so good. I always get them in Primark every year. They're like £10 and they're so, so good. And then we've also got a burgundy bikini here, which, let me flip this round and show you. Another gorgeous one. Love that so much. They've also got the matching shirt here. Honestly, the bikinis are just absolutely hitting this year. Tons of G dupe, guys. Look at this fabric. The yellow swimsuit, that is absolutely gorgeous. And it's £12. I love that. They've also got this pastel yellow one, if that is the colour scheme that you love. I really like that. And they've got an overshirt as well in pastel yellow. And the bottoms for that one are also this like tie waist, which I think is great. And then you could pair that with either the white or yellow shirt they've got. And the shirts are £10. That's really good. Pink shiny bikini, love that. This is given like Hindu, and one of my friends is getting married, and I feel like this could be a good theme to go with, like a pink shiny or like a metallic-y vibe. I also love how they always have these little matching bags to all the fabrics. You can take this to the pool, and if you want to like go on a boat trip or something, take like an alternative bikini with you. These are actually really handy. Okay, we're going to do activewear next, and I found some really cool things already. I always feel like in the morning for the gym, I just need something like this, like a little fleece. And I was going to get one from Gymshark, and they're so expensive. But in here, £12. So that's quite good. And then around here, they've got a really cool fabric as well. Let me show you. I think this is cool for the gym. I like that a lot. Really, really nice. I did not know that Primark did yoga and Pilates socks. How good are these? £4 for two. I literally paid £12 for one pair of these at a class the other day. So they're so good. And they've also got these ones. I might get these ones that go like up your ankles a little bit, just for something different. This one is stunning. It's given Pilates princess, but they've only got extra large, which is really sad. I also feel like these kind of like flared tight pants could be really cool as well. These tops are really nice, and they're kind of that like buttery fabric. I'm obsessed with that top one, the brown one. £7. I'm gonna have to pick that up. They've also got this sports bra, which is really, really nice, very neutral. Okay, we've got a cute little zip up here that also could be worn for over the gym. That's quite baggy. And they've even got like little gym bags, which are nice. I feel like gym wear from Primark is such a good shout. So let's see what else they've got. Oh, I found some of those kind of like yoga pants. What size are these? £12, size small. I might pick some of those up, you know. They've got the little buttery top as well in black. And these tops as well, which are like Gymshark dupes, which kind of go crossy at the back. And they've got that same one in like a khaki. Oh, they've got so much good gym stuff, guys. This is another nice one. It's kind of like a seam-free top. Love that as well. How much is that one? £7. To the home section, let's see what they've got new in. I'm already seeing loads of pastel bits that I haven't seen before, like these little diffusers slash candles. These little tulips are really cute. Oh my god, the fitted sheet, I love that. Spring section is where it's at. I'm just in love. Look at all these glasses, little cushions here. We've got all of these like plants. I just love it so much. Also, absolutely, I'm obsessed with this little plant pot. I love it. It's £10 and it's so gorgeous. This like trio of mini vases as well. This would be so nice for a little home gift. But also for like some shelves in the lounge. I love that. How cute is this? Love this little toothbrush holder. £4. And this is so cute as well. A little like holder for your like jewellery or something. £3.50. And the soap dispenser is gorgeous as well. Hey guys, the bedding section is absolutely incredible. Look at this spring set they've got, and the sets have like fitted sheet pillowcases and the covers. There's that one. There's this little blue one. But over here is what I'm most excited about. They've got these like sets of pillowcases. Let me show you. Look at these, they've got like little strawberries on them and raspberries, and they're just so cute, and they've got the fitted sheets as well. How nice are these fitted sheets with the little bow print on? I really love those. I love like a white bedding and then like a patterned fitted sheet. They've also got these little floral ones. Like imagine white bedding with one of these fitted sheets and this little floral one. Also the cushions are just absolutely incredible and such good value. Like £10 for that cushion is so cheap. These tea towels are also really cute. I really like these ones.
Stop it, Taylor, I don't want to hear it.
Love those. Also some lunchbox finds for the corporate girlies. We've got this little pot for breakfast and granola, I love that. And then also this, like for pasta or something, I love that. Here we've got some storagey bits. I kind of need some storage for my bathroom, but I don't really know what I want yet. I always need some organisers rather than just baskets. Also obsessed with this, how cute, oat milk. The perfect mug. Primark is absolutely killing it with the home section, like honestly. Just incredible. Look at this little soap dish, I love that. All the funky prints. I'm genuinely absolutely obsessed. How cute are these? They're like Stanley cups but mini. I'm obsessed. How much are they? £8. Okay, we've got lots of florals for spring. I really like these little tulips. I'm tempted to get some of those. See what else they've got. I think I found a new scent, the sandalwood and oud. I'm in love with how that looks. Such a neutral vibe, £5. We've also got these little bergamot and amber ones, which are gorgeous as well. They've just got so much good stuff in the home section. This is the best bit, and look at this print. I'm absolutely in love with it. It says, un cappuccino. Love. Hey, look at all of this stuff for like a little hosting dinner party. These are so cute, £5. And then this one's like a little tulip, also £5. They've got plates and napkins. I've seen some gorgeous napkins around here that I just have to show you as well, that I've picked up. It's these. How stunning. They say cheers on them, and there's like one pink and one red. These are perfect for my little Galentine setup. I'm also going to get these for the Galentine's Day setup because I just think they're so cute. These little strawberries might just be the cutest things ever. Obsessed. These are £5 for 3 little bowls. I love them. Okay, nothing better than the pyjama section, and I love the boyfriend pyjamas. I'm trying to see if they've got any like Galentine's colours for me and Laura for tonight, but I'm not seeing any. Love this dressing gown so much. It's so cute. Okay, this is a new in pair that I've spotted. Really love those. They're £22 for the full set. I haven't really seen much else new in the pyjama section, but I'm going to go and look in the underwear section because I'm seeing some Skims dupes that I'm very excited about. Like these look so comfy, and also the colours. That little bralette looks so comfortable. I think I might try that out. These are also new, these like packs of pants, and I think they're really nice. I'm going to get some. They are £3.50 a pack. What an absolute bargain. And they've got some really good colours. Like I love this. I feel like that would just be perfect, this colour. I'm just looking for a size small in these. Also got these seam-free camis, which also are giving Skims. And who knew they had these shaper leggings in the underwear section? Not me. Okay, this is the first time I've ever gone in the Primark baby section, but my best friend's having a baby, so I can have a little look now officially. I'm so excited. Oh, no, I can't cope. This section is just so cute. Look at all the little shoes. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Little scratch mittens. Got little Ugg boots. I just can't get over how tiny. I'm just so excited, guys. Okay, let's look in the beauty section. I'm going to see if I can see any new dupes they've got or what bits they've got in. Let's have a little look. I always love the face masks. I always pick up some of these when I come in. So I might get some for me and Laura for tonight because we're having a little Galentine's night. So let's have a look. I've got the Vitamin and Rich Face Base dupe. However, I've tried this and I'm not actually a fan of it. Also love that they've got these Prep and Perfect because it's basically like the MAC strobe cream. And look at this little makeup brush travel case. I love that. I've seen a lot of people raving about these on TikTok and I feel like I need to give them a go. We've also got these lip oils which look like the Kiko glosses. I just love the accessories, like just little treats. I love this. Feels really strong as well. Okay, I'm in need of some gold chunky earrings, so I'm going to have a little look at what they've got. Kind of like this, but not silver, gold. These ones are also nice, just like plain chunky ones. So cute. I feel like these are very Valentine's Day-esque. I love those. £3. Okay, I'm in need of some more scrunchies for my heatless curlers. I'm trying to find some like satiny ones I feel like these ones will be fab, so I'm going to pop these in the basket. Also really impressed with their makeup bag options at the moment. I love this one, like really good for like a little car bag. That's £6. But I also love this. It's like a trio of bags and it's burgundy and I love it, and that is £11. Right, this is the result of being in Primark for like 2 hours. Try on haul pending. Okay guys, I have just got home. That was the best I've seen Primark in a very, very long time. I am nearly £200 down on a haul, which is coming your way very, very soon. But honestly, Primark was absolutely incredible, like absolutely killed the game. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what's new in Primark. This was my first time filming one of these by myself. Usually my mum comes with me, which actually took a lot of strength and confidence because I was literally getting stared at by every single person. These like young girls, I'm sorry, how did like 12-year-olds make me feel so embarrassed? They were like, oh my god, the influencer over there. I was like, I am gonna die. But I'm so proud of myself for pushing through and getting this video up for you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, these are going to be every single month from here on out. So we're going to do a shop with me and a haul every single month. And I just can't wait because I'm so excited to be back on my YouTube game. I filmed so much content today. And there will be a huge Primark try on haul coming very, very soon. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't see all the other months of Come Shop With Me in Primark. Look forward to the haul because it's so good.